Hi everyone, this is a short tutorial on how to claim your business on Bing. Bing is Microsoft's search engine. It also links through to Yahoo, or Yahoo use Bing as well. It's a great backup if one of the platforms isn't performing like Google, then you want to make sure that your business is listed on Bing. It's quite straightforward to do, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to jump onto Google and you're going to search for Bing Places, or you can put in bingplaces.com. You'll click on the link and we're going to come to this page. Not the nicest of pages, I don't understand what the green is, but that's okay, that's because it matches their green. But we're going to click here and we're going to put new user, get started and claim your business. Or if you are already a customer of Bing Places, then you can press existing user. So for a new user, what we're going to do is we're going to set up a new business. There's two ways to do it. If you already have a Google My Business page, then what you want to do is you want to click on this one here, and it's going to connect everything up for you. So we say, I want to sync my business on a regular basis. We're going to sync it weekly. At this stage, it's going to ask you to log into your Google account. Now, I'm not going to show you my account details, but just so that you know, I'm selecting the account which is linked up with my Google My Business. Okay, now we're in, and it's connected my account from Google My Business through to Bing. And it shows that we've got iBooked online there. Save imported data by creating a Bing Places for Business account. Now, I already have one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into that particular account. And now we're actually logged in. It's connected everything and it's brought everything across. It's brought out my address details, the phone number which is listed on Google My Business, the address, the opening hours, and everything else which has got to do with the particular business. So now we're into Bing Places, and it's imported all the details from Google My Business through to Bing Places. It's really straightforward to do and very, very simple to get up and running. We can see that the last time this was synced was in 16th of May 2020. We're going to sync it all up again. Okay, so what I've done is I've sunk everything with Google My Business in the background. And let's have a look at what we've got. So we've got everything that says that it's been synced today. Great, we can look at our trends and how well we're doing. We can also manage the Bing Places through the App Store as well. We can have a look at the videos. We can add another business if we're managing others. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through and do some edits to your particular listing. So we go here and we press edit. We can change all of those details about the page itself or about the business itself. We've got the address, we've got the phone number, we can see the map, so where it's actually located. If you accidentally click this and drag it to the wrong spot, just refresh the page and start again. We can see the pictures that are there. We can change the different categories, internet marketing services, the description of the business. We can talk about whether customers can visit the business or not, whether it's business or professional service, our contact details, and then we can do our photos as well. So we've got the logo, we've got the interior, we're going to get rid of that one, we don't like that one, we don't like that one, we don't like that one, this one we've already got, so we've already got that one, and that one. And then we can add whatever other pictures we like to there. Okay folks, that's how you put your business on Bing Places, which is going to help you get more exposure across Microsoft's search engine. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. I wish you a terrific day. Thank you.